G'day folks, Aaron here from 4x4 East Coast. Welcome to the 4x4 East Coast kitchen. And no, we're not cooking. We're going to install Proshot GoPro mount to the front of my service helmet. So for a long time now, I've been running the Sony action cam. Hang on, I'll go and get it. Here it is here. I run it in that case. It kind of becomes a little bit heavy on the side of the helmet because it's only, can't see it. It's only sort of velcroed on with that. The plasticky sort of velcro. So I want to give the GoPro 10 a trial on the front of the helmet. If it all goes well and the microphone works well, I had trouble in the last ride. I got fed up with this because I went to turn it on and it just flew off the side of my helmet, landed on the road. Didn't break anything. It was in the waterproof case. But I think now's the time to go to GoPro. I've had GoPros for a while. So I've got two Hero 5s as well as the Hero 10, and the reason I hadn't used the Hero 5 as a helmet cam was the microphone issue when using quick capture. The microphone just wouldn't work. Yeah, let's just do it. So you get a sticker and some Velcro tabbies, the hook and loop stuff, and here's the mount itself. Bendy, this is the version 2, I think they call it. So this will go on here somehow. It's meant to be like a universal fit, so it should fit. All right, let's get started. So they recommend that it goes along the bottom of the helmet, not up like this. It'll put the GoPro at a wrong angle. Can you see that? So let's just figure out, I might grab a little texter. So I've got a marking pen. That looks like it's pretty well centered right there. I'm just going to mark in here. And mark in here on this side. Alright, so from those marks, along the bottom of the helmet, we'll stick these things. I'll just give this all a bit of a clean. Just let that dry for a second. All right, so I've got a mark here. I don't know if you can see that on because it's black on black, but I can see it in this light. So I'm going to run along the bottom of that line there because that's only rubber and plastic. There, and go like that. Along the bottom. All right. Just squish it down. Make sure it's all pushed down onto your helmet. Do the same on the other side. A little bit further forward on that side, but that's okay. We'll figure that out. Righto. And all you got to do is fit this along the bottom edge. Make sure it's kind of centered. Yeah, it's going to stick out a little bit for me. Yeah, it's centered. And then push it down onto that. Make sure it clicks into place, into that Velcro-y stuff. So there you go. I'm holding the helmet up already. It's only been on a second. Really should give it a few hours before you actually use it. Going camping in about 10 minutes. I should have already left by now. So what I've got is I've got some adapters. I'll go and get the adapters for the microphone. See, I've got that one there, but I need an adapter to go to the GoPro. So here's my GoPro 10. And here's the little adapter I was talking about. So it just goes into the microphone port. And see how I got the one that's bent so it doesn't stick out as far. So obviously, you know, if you've got a GoPro, you know how these work. Stick that through the hole and do him up. Now I'm going to have to do a bit of jimmying with this because this is let's go to there. Okay. That depends on your helmet. A lot of blokes probably won't run a microphone. I like that, the bit of I like to have good audio. Nothing worse than watching a video and you can't hear what the person says. I just turn off straight away if that's the case. Rightio, that's in. Let's make sure it's all clipped in properly. Let's put it on and see if it works. Rightio, it's looks a bit wonky on the, see the, yeah, I don't know if that's going to be a problem. But anyway, let's have a look. Rightio, so now we're talking through the helmet mic. Hopefully that comes out okay. You can see off in the distance there through the window, through the dirty window, my bike on the back of the trailer. So I've got to get going. I'll put some footage in here of this on the front. You've probably seen everyone else with the GoPro on the front. I'm probably the last person to do it. I did like the Sony because of the optical stabilization. But so the GoPro has come a long way, so I'm going to muck around with it. I'm going to go camping and go for a ride, and we'll put some footage up here. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.